the artwork depicts what Jamaica is. Say a guest come to Jamaica and they buy a piece of artwork and they were happy when they bought it. When they go home, however they feel after they buy it and everything, whenever they want to feel happy, they look at it, oh my God, I remember when I was in Jamaica and I bought the pig, I was so happy. That brings back a little bit of life.
The island of Jamaica is known globally for fine wood craftsmanship. Wood carvings are very popular in Jamaican craft markets. The Jamaican craft sector and the tourism industry have always had a symbiotic relationship, as the collection of souvenirs and mementos is a popular activity for the majority of visitors to the island. Craft is evocative of the local history, culture, and tradition of Jamaica. As a result, it is inextricably linked to the tourism product and experience of the island. Meet Westmoreland's Rocky Maduri, one of the finest craftsmen within Jamaica.
You're an artist, you're a sculptor, and you deal in wood. So tell us about, a little bit about you, where you're from.
So from a little place in Westmoreland called Savanna-la-Mar.
Big Savanna-la-Mar, you call it okay?
Yeah, man.
Really?
I don't know Jamaica is small.
Okay.
I'm from Savanna-la-Mar. That's where I was born and bred. Mom is from Clarendon originally. Father is from Savanna-la-Mar originally.
So how you learned about, where you learned to carve? Was it like...
No, this wasn't something you learned. It was...
It built in you?
No, it was beaten into me. It was learn this or else. You know what I mean? The thing about it that usually certain skills are like pushed aside. My dad didn't give me a chance to push my skill aside. It was like, okay, you have this, you never overcome it. You know what I mean? Go this and then add something else to it. You know what I mean? That's the thing about it, according to my dad. If you're not a man, if you're a man and you can't feed your family, you're not a man. So the thing about it, he makes sure that I learn this and I learn this well. I'm better than him now.
So your father was he did wood carvings?
My mother sold in the craft market for years. You know what I mean? So
In Negril?
In Negril.
Oh, okay.
So I emulate them and then I took it to a new level.
So your father taught you how to cut the wood and
how to do the work.
Carve, right.
And if I'm not doing the best in it, I don't make no sense I do it, you know what I mean?
Right.
And then he also teach my people skills. But I think about it, if you don't have people skills while selling carving, it makes no sense. Because nowadays what we have are hustlers, not business people. People are just trying to broker ducks or just barely going over the edge. They don't see that a business. You know what I mean? I take it to a level where I incorporate my heart and soul within it. So what you see is what you get, you know what I mean? Me along with the carving. It's a love.
Yes.
And that's real life. You know what I mean? And I'm trying to make sure that my kids learn it also. Because if they learn this and can put their touch to it, sky's the limit.
Craft tells the story of the country and its people, thereby generating interest and potentially repeat visits.
How important do you think craft items are to tourism in Jamaica?
That's Jamaica. That's Jamaica. The artwork depicts what Jamaica is. You know what I mean? So this is it. Say a guest come to Jamaica and they buy a piece of artwork and they were happy when they bought it. When they go home, however they feel after they buy it and everything, whenever they want to feel happy, they look at it, oh my God, I remember when I was in Jamaica and I bought the pig, I was so happy. That brings back a little bit of life. So this is what brings you back to happy times. You know what I mean? This is what reminds you momentum of what you have. So that's what we are. So we're not just selling carbon, we're selling happiness, we're selling sunlight, we're selling joy. You know what I mean? Within the work is what is it.
But when you look at your carvings, yours are unique. It's not like some that we see where everything looks the same. You can see your unique stamp on it.
Yeah, but the thing about it that when you find out what's going on,
Yeah.
okay, it's like KFC. They made the chicken like everybody, but they put a sauce into it.
Right.
So that sauce and that flavor keep you coming back. There's a lot of chicken, but you took KFC because of that flavor. That's my artwork. Same artwork like everybody else, but I do a twist to it. I put my own touch to it. You know what I mean? That put me a cut above the rest.
The legal definition of authentic Jamaican craft is any traditional cultural expression, contemporary cultural expression, artisanal product, visual art, fine art, souvenir, or craftsmanship-based design which satisfies certain criteria. These include made or assembled in Jamaica utilizing manual or mechanical techniques, made or assembled by a Jamaican citizen or registered Jamaican company, and meets existing or new national quality standards. Tourism experts say that a portion of tourists' spend is always dedicated to the purchase of locally produced products, which are typical for the country, population, or landscape, as a remembrance of the visit, a token of moments shared with loved ones, or as an authentic gift to friends and family back home.
You work with what kind of water?
So I work with cedar, blue maho, lignin vitae, and oak wood.
Okay.
All these woods are found in Jamaica. But the thing about it, it's a little bit twisted because the wood literally tells me what to do with it. So in every artist there's a tiny bit of madness. But
You're not hear that all the time?
But the thing about it, my madness is different because my last name is Madourie.
Oh, okay. Oh, you
So,
spell that?
so it's Madouri. Madourie.
Right.
So I'm a little bit crazy with it, but in a good way. Because when I apply my work, oh my God, I love that piece. I love what you do. You know what I mean? It gives you a vibe to keep on moving. You know what I mean? Keep it that vibe that okay, yeah, you can do it.
So you've been doing wood carving how many years now?
So it's 30 years officially,
Okay.
unofficially all my life.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So I think I was carving from in the womb. The thing about it, what I try to do is I try to do everything.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's a one-stop shop. It's not like, okay, I do a quarter. I do everything. What I try to do is I take my inspiration and I feel with the guest inspiration and come through with something in my own language I thought superbly, deliciously beautiful.
Okay.
That's my word, that's my catchphrase. So even if they don't want to buy, like, that person's different. Let me see what he has to offer. You know what I mean? Then we talk. So when I make a sale, it's not just making a sale. We become family, we become friends. Next time they come to Jamaica, Rocky, I'm coming to Jamaica, I want this, I want that. We make a link. So you don't make it just to make a sale. It's much more than making a sale. You're buying a part of our culture. You're buying a part of Jamaica. You know what I mean? It's a brand. And if you don't apply it as a brand, it makes no sense.
The art that you do, those purplish that puts it up, that looks like an authentic color. Tell me about it. Let me get this. It's behind me. What is behind me? That's purple. No, the purple pig looking thing.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah, it's the first I'm seeing. Yeah. It's the first I'm seeing.
Color that?
Yeah. How do you get it? This purplish.
It's Jamaican good old floor dye. So back in the day, we used to boil the dye in our person pan. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And boil it, throw in the baking soda and it, put in the wood chips and boil to get that color. So if you know anything about Jamaican people, would have used it before you the Jamaican genie. So this will go on the floor first.
Yes.
Then you put the genie on. Then back then your knee cup used to be black. Just sit down, kneel down on your knees and polish the floor, and then you the wooden, the coconut brush.
Yeah.
The good old coconut brush and shine it.
So how you got this stained that way?
So we boil the dye. This is same old Jamaican floor dye. We boil to use it like this.
Right.
You know what I mean? So we use the mahogany chip along with the maca tree, the bark of the maca tree to boil it with the baking soda to get this color.
So you dip it in it?
No, you use the same paintbrush and put it on.
Oh, okay.
After you pan it, you stand it perfectly in water first to get it have that smooth.
Right.
So you stand it in water, then you put it on. And then to shine it, we'd use good old shoe polish. Brown shoe polish, and we need a brown shoe. Clear genie to do it.
The potential demand for authentic local craft as souvenirs can be estimated from tourism statistics of visitor arrivals at a conservative estimate of $5 per gift for 10% of total numbers of visitors.
So you have your station at a location here in
Yes.
Negril?
One thing about it, so what happened was that COVID came.
Yeah.
That girl,
Yes.
she came, and after we finished having that discussion that we had, I found out that guess what? You cannot just be one thing. You gotta multitask.
Yeah.
So I left from carving to doing fish in the nights
Okay.
and conch, and then I add seafood to it. So after doing that, in the night I would do that, but in the days I would be on the beach.
Right.
So because of my personality and the way I move, I have people who I talk to. They give me a chance to come on their property
Okay.
and make a living. You know what I mean? So that's what I do. So in the nights I'll cook fish, conch, seafood.
Here in Negril?
No, I do
No,
it
in South.
in South
Okay.
on the ski.
Oh, so a big chef as well?
Well, okay.
Okay.
You evolve. You don't
Yeah.
wanna act
Yeah.
like okay, you're not gonna
Yeah.
die.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I think that anybody who survived COVID has been a totally different person.
Yeah.
But over that at the craft market.
Negril, the one in the square?
No, the one at the bridge.
Okay. Yeah. Near the square?
Yeah, this
Right.
still we need some more promotion for the craft market.
Right.
You know, it's so there, but nevertheless.
And you're part of the association. Tell us about the association. What's the name of the association?
Negril Craft
Local
Trader.
Authentic Craft Association.
We need a craft trader association.
Oh, that's the name.
Yeah, because we different from the normal the ones at the top, but the one at the yeah, so we're the original
Okay.
one.
Okay.
So we go authentic because we are from
Okay.
grassroots.
Right.
Everybody else would be a branch off from us.
So you're saying that in Negril, the original craft market near the square, that one needs promotion.
We need promotion. We really do.
Tell us about that.
Thing about it, it's slow now. It has been slow from COVID time, but nevertheless, we need to have people promote it, promotional. You know, I mean, they can't just sit down and expect okay, it's going to come to you. But if you have some promotion like what they get, people know okay, we're there. You know,
Or like a website. They have a website or something?
I think they do. I don't know if it's still up, but
Okay. That's a big start. Like your market is international.
yeah.
Yeah.
But the thing about it, remember the COVID came and everything was like stopped. So because that much people don't know that we're still open. You know what I mean? So we have things like the Makers Market who invites me over to come and do the work, and they say, okay, Rocky, bring your work and see what can be done.
So what do you think about what Erin is doing with the Negril Makers Market? This has been going on since a year now? More than a year? What do you think about that initiative, Negril Makers Market?
Well, the thing about it, I don't know, but that's like a touch from God. I think that it's like a different vibe, you know what I mean? They could showcase people who are doing the work, you know what I mean? Give a person a chance to make a living, you know what I mean? And with what's going on from I've seen, it's a good one. I think this is my fourth one so far, and it has been good. You know what I mean? I'm grateful for that. You know what I mean? Not many people are looking over for the little man. They're like, okay, if you're not rich already, it makes no sense. It is what it is. We do what we have to do, and we create the work and make sure people are laughing. You know, put a smile on somebody's face.